When most people think of the dark web, this is where their imagination goes first. Hidden marketplaces, anonymous transactions, things you can't buy anywhere else. And while that image isn't entirely wrong, it's only part of the story. So let's pull back the curtain. What are dark web marketplaces? At their core, they're e-commerce platforms, just like Amazon or eBay, but built for anonymity. They run on onion domains accessible only through the Tor network. And they use cryptocurrency, usually Bitcoin or Monero, to enable private, borderless transactions. So what do they sell? Let's break it into categories. 1. Illegal goods and services. Drugs, by far the most common, everything from cannabis to synthetic opioids. Fake IDs and documents, passports, driver's licenses, even diplomas. Hacking services, DDoS for hire, malware toolkits, data breaches. Weapons, extremely restricted and monitored, but occasionally appear. Counterfeit currency and credit card dumps. This is the dark side, and yes, it's illegal in nearly every jurisdiction. Law enforcement agencies regularly conduct sting operations, shut down markets, and arrest sellers and buyers alike. But that's not all these marketplaces contain. 2. Gray market or quasi-legal services. Data leaks and credential dumps. Sometimes sold, sometimes posted for free. Access to breached streaming accounts or software licenses. Fake reviews, bot networks, or click farms. These blur the line. Technically illegal in many regions, but not always prosecuted the same way. 3. Legitimate products and whistleblower material. In rare cases, marketplaces also offer encrypted communication tools, books and privacy software, leaks from journalists or insiders in corrupt regimes. These are often hosted on the same networks, even if their intentions differ dramatically. So how do these marketplaces work? It starts with a reputation system. Sellers are rated by buyers based on speed, product quality, and communication, just like mainstream platforms. Disputes are handled by market admins or escrow systems, where funds are held until the buyer confirms delivery. Most transactions happen using Monero, a privacy coin that hides wallet balances and transaction history. Many marketplaces also offer PGP encrypted messaging between buyer and seller to protect communication. But don't be fooled. These aren't bulletproof systems. Markets get hacked, exit scammed, or shut down by law enforcement. You've probably heard of Silk Road, Alphabay, or Hansa, all massive marketplaces that were eventually dismantled. The cycle continues. When one market falls, another usually rises in its place. Understanding how these marketplaces work doesn't mean endorsing them. It means being informed, especially if you're in law, journalism, cybersecurity, or intelligence. Because you can't defend against something you don't understand. And the more you know about how these systems operate, the better equipped you are to stay safe and stay ahead. Let's move forward.